Yeah. Here's a quick video for Auntie Diane. There is Stanley. Hello, Stanley, the good boy. And there's little Lily. And there is Phantom. And over there, standing with her feet up on the footstool, is our baby cake Scooter. Hi, baby girl. She's got wagging her tail. She's moving around. She's sitting on her seat. She's got her little heater right there. She's a good girl. She's a good girl. What a good girl she is. Just so you don't think she's laying here dying in pain. Yeah, look at the guy. Oh, big barking. They don't like the My life is very noisy. Very noisy. Very noisy. I don't know how the evening will pan out, but that's where we're at right now.